Good morning, Kanti. Good morning, WFS. Good morning, guys. How was your weekend? Good morning, JP. Same, yeah. It's let me check. I think it's 3 degrees outside here. 3 degrees feels like -11. So, yeah. 12 there. Nice. Warmer than here. It was pretty good. Yeah, good. Lions game wasn't good, but like that's all right. All right. Ooh. Morning, Ronnie. Morning, morning. Got this stuff up. We got, as everyone's joining, drop a like on the live, okay? Apple has taken a bit of a dip this morning. Kind of right in this, marked out this 225 zone. This is, you know, we bounced here quite a few times, so not too bad of an area for potential ads if you're into Apple. If we get down, yeah, I mean, that's not too bad of a spot. Right here is also not too bad of a spot as well. That's like 207s. But yeah, Apple is down. AVGO, which is connected to Nvidia, is up. Nvidia is up this morning a little. Meta's not doing too much. Microsoft is up a little. Tesla gapped up a few dollars, and yeah, the Qs and the VU, and that's all up as well. The market was pretty crazy last night. It was pretty bullish yesterday, and we just randomly, I don't know if you guys saw this, it was around, what time would that be? 9:30 or something like that. We just dumped 330 points randomly in like 10 minutes. Hey Vega, how's it going? But yeah, that's all that's really going on. I'm doing good as well. Argenito just posting one of his payouts from SBS as well. So if you guys do have payouts from SBS helping at all, feel free to post. I know we've had a few more guys get some. They just haven't posted yet. So yeah, Argenito about 6K total right there. And Chaos here, this is his second payout. So can get payouts. But yeah, go show Argenito some love there. No, Vega, I don't think it affects anything. You'd have to have a lot of people all get the same entry at the same exact time, and that doesn't happen. We'd have to have a lot of people. But, and also not everyone in the group trades the same charts, trades at the same times. So, I mean, I'm talking you'd probably have to, and also you'd have to be on live accounts. So you'd have to have maybe, you know, a couple hundred people all buy in at the same time on live accounts. That could cause something, but SPS can be used on YM. Yeah, most people just do NQ though. Can be used on YM. Really, I only recommend NQ or YM. I wouldn't do anything else. You could do micro Bitcoin as well, micro Bitcoin futures, but I know some people have liked YM in the past, so just majority of people just use NQ now. So I mean, this is just a fair value gap indicator. This is, I mean, I have the actual SBS Autotrader up back here. I just am looking at the charts because the market doesn't open for 13 more minutes, and we don't have it trading for 15 more minutes. So just taking a look at the market. As everyone's rolling in though, drop a thumbs up, guys. Get the week started nice and good. You guys see this official Trump coin? You guys see this? I think it was up like, or it started at like 50 or 70 cents or something. But yeah, just since it got published to the public, like, or, you know, on the big markets and stuff like that, it jumped up 660%. So if you put $1,000 in here, you would have made like $8,000. But if you got in at the cents, 60, 70 cents mark, that would have, like down here where some people saw it, that would be a 11,000% return. Yeah, I wish too. If I if I knew it was an actual Donald Trump coin, I would have 100% put some good money into it. So yeah, if you put $1,000 in down here, $1,000, around like 70 cents, you would have made $110,000. And to be honest, I probably would have put in like $500 to $1,000 if I knew it was a Donald Trump coin. But I mean, maybe I would have sold like, at $30 or something. You're not gonna sell at the top probably, but still crazy, right? Bitcoin did hit all-time highs yesterday. Pumped quite a bit here, just in, this is a 5-minute chart, so in like 20 minutes, basically, just pumped up $6,000. Yeah, Vega. Not every day will be green. Just remember that it's a bot that's meant for the long term, right? So month to month, how's it performing, pretty much. So don't get discouraged if it's bad for a day, or even you'll have red weeks. So don't be discouraged. You entered at 25. I mean, to be honest, I think it probably will go up, because it's a Trump coin. I know it sounds stupid, but market opens in still 8 minutes. And take a look at this. Just kind of, if you guys are wondering, the blue fair value gaps are these smaller time frame fair value gaps, and obviously the brighter blue they are, the more overlap they are, and the reddish pink ones are higher time frame fair value gaps. And again, the brighter pink they are, the more they are overlapped, right? So like right here, pretty bright pink. You know, we tapped into that, rejected, and then it moves it because we ate that far into the gap, right? So, you know, we can go over here. Kind of same thing here, right? Reject that a little bit, and then we move into these blue shorter term gaps where they're overlapped. Bounce out of the bright blue. Move up. Back down, tap kind of out of this. Right? Move down, kind of tap out of these overlapped. Rejected this up here. And then here we dumped all the way down to all these gaps. All these gaps, move back up to these bright pink, rejected. So you can kind of, you know, if I have this up, you can kind of use this as well. Canty says, new to SBS. He said 1 day where it was 3 red trades. Other than that, every day you've had at least 2 green. About 6 trades. Yeah, you still should manage the trade, Vega. You know, I wouldn't recommend leaving your desk. Or, you know, basically just when it enters a trade, just check it and make sure that everything's running smoothly. You know, the trades only last a few minutes usually. It's not a free indicator, Vega. It's called Say Hi, but yeah, I think Canty's right on there. So you need to manage it. Set some goals for yourself daily, right? Usually, a lot of times people shut it down after, you know, 2 solid trades. And if you don't like it, you know, you can always selectively arm. So if you think longs are going to work better, you can just turn off the shorts so it's grayed out. Think shorts are better, you can turn off the longs, okay? You can always flatten your position, click the flatten. If the flatten button doesn't work for whatever reason, just click the actual NinjaTrader close button. Should we turn on L2 today? What do you think? Let's get some likes, guys. We got 30 people in here. 6 likes. I'm one of them, so 5 likes. And let's start a poll, okay? I'm gonna do a poll for the new portfolio that I'm building. I'm trying to think of what I want to do. I don't know what settings to do though. Justin. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I'm trying to think of what I want to do for this. Okay, I haven't. I don't know if this is a good poll or not, but I haven't used L2 Azimuth in a month and a half, to be honest with you, Justin. Because Connor hasn't used it for a month and a half or sent any info out, so I haven't used it either. I'm not going to show it, but we'll keep it up, okay? Like, I'll keep it running, but I'm not going to show it right now. So again, the poll is, would you be interested in the portfolio of bots if it can outperform the S&P 500 on a yearly basis? The idea of that would be, say you have, I'm throwing random numbers. Okay, so random numbers. So you have $100,000 invested in long-term stocks. Okay, maybe you'd take half of that and put it into the portfolio so that the bots would basically be your account manager, right? Instead of maybe you have a money guy that does your investments for you. That's basically what you'd be having the bots do, is manage that portfolio for you, right? And it would outperform hopefully the S&P every year. I'm liking that I'm seeing yeses and not nos. Did you say no? Love to hear why you would say no. But yeah, cast a vote on that poll. Doesn't hurt you. It's anonymous. Okay. Market is open. Okay. Market is open. We do have a little bit of a pump on the open, a little dip and rip. I'll turn on L2 in a few minutes. Hopefully we have a good day. I would love to start the week off green. Would love to start the week off green. There's not really additional risk. So I don't know what you mean by that. What do you think is the additional risk? Are you saying because futures are leveraged? Well, in a sense, yes, but not necessarily. It depends on leverage. Yeah, that's just a general statement though, because futures isn't necessarily riskier in any fashion than just investing in stocks or something. So I'll use this as an example. Okay, say the S&P 500 has a drawdown last year. I'm just saying random number of like 7% or 8%. Okay, what if the bots last year only had a max drawdown of 5%? That's less risky than the S&P. You know what I'm saying? So, to be honest with you, as far, I haven't used it in a month and a half. Most of the users, some of them like it. A lot of people don't. Okay. That's all I'll say. If you want to purchase it with my link, I would love that. If you're going to purchase, use my link there. I'll post it here for you as well, or if anyone is interested. And I think code Joey is 15% off. Obviously, I'm gonna say, yeah, Ronnie, buy SBS Autotrader. If you're just looking for an auto trader. But if you are going to purchase L2, at least use my link, right? All right, so we'll turn on L2. I'm not gonna show it way too much though. I guess we can. I'll do this so we can watch and see if we get into a trade over here. Testing out the 1 minute today. Nice. Yeah, 1 minute is one of the best performers on a yearly basis. A lot of people just don't like it because it's slow, but if you actually test the whole year, it is one of the higher performers. But some days you'll have no trades of the 1 minute, and some days you'll have like 5. So let's try and get 30 likes in the live. We got 33 of you in here. So everyone just click the like button. It only takes 2 seconds. All right, so the poll so far, we got 19 votes, 58% yes, and 26% of you said yes if it was more than 15% yearly. Yeah, SBS is great. I'll let the choir preach for that. The guys in the chat who have SBS, if they like it or not. Oh, it looks like this is okay. Oh, I have okay. So yeah, we have testimonials here. This is where people post profits. Obviously, it doesn't win every day, right? Right, can't win every day. I think there's some losses in here and stuff, but there's some other stuff in here, right? People post wins in here as well. Usually if people have losses, like some days obviously you can't win $1,000, but you can change the risk per trade. So, if you're only risking $100 per trade, you're not going to lose $1,000 in a day, right? And payouts, we've had a couple people start putting some payouts in here. So, yeah. I'm glad you like SBS, Canty. All right, so over 1,500 per account just last week. Awesome. Hello. I'm gonna end that poll. These settings here are the Connor settings from November 27th live stream, when he first shared his settings for the first time. If anyone's interested in the settings I'm using for SBS, here we go. I'll just show you quick. Oh, I have 4,000 risk per trade. Yeah, that's not correct. I meant to put 400. And we'll just leave it. We'll see what happens, but we are in a trade 400 risk per trade here on the 48 range. I did accidentally put 4,000 risk per trade here. So we'll see what happens there, I guess. Let's check. Ooh, okay. That's a steep drop there. Looks like Apple is down at 221. Holy smokes, everything's dropping, the market's crashing. Tesla has dumped 5% in the last 5 minutes. Everything is dropping, the market's panicking. Everybody sell. Apple's down 3%, Tesla's down 3%. Okay. So I trade loss, that's all right. Anyone got any polls they want me to throw up? Remember, this doesn't include commissions either, so, you know, we'll check at the end of the morning what it is, okay? Incorrect as far, yeah. Yeah, that's, well, yeah. Problem is, Connor doesn't live stream often, so. Yeah. Send you my settings. I don't think that makes any difference, really, to be honest with you. I just have rhythmic. I don't think there's news. Let me check. No news today. No news. One minute got pretty close to a short here, just like a few points away. That would have been beautiful. Yeah, besides that though, nothing. Like, there's no red folder news to worry about, but... So this is after commission P&L for... Also, this account's at 68,000, started at 100,000. I think it's pretty much from L2, but... Or me leaving it on all the time. Market dumping still. Tesla's down 3.5%. Same with Apple. Microsoft dumping. Everything's dropping pretty heavily here. Look at that candle though. That's funny. It's not really funny. I would have preferred if the market pumped up to the all-time highs, but I'm thinking because Trump's in office, I would think this week things would kind of pump up, but maybe not. Does have to go down before it goes up, that's correct. Apple is dropping heavy still. Wonder if there's news from Apple or something. It's been dropping pretty heavy the past few days. We've got 48 people in here. Welcome everybody. Feel free to drop a like so we can get to our 30 like goal. Okay. Also remember, sim you'll get completely different results than on a evaluation account. So last time I did use an evaluation account on L2, it burned 5 grand in one session with like the same setup that was making me $800 a day or so on sim. Why is that? No, I don't know. That's just prop firm stuff. I couldn't tell you. But you'll get different results on sim. So just remember that. With SBS and stuff, you do not get different results on sim compared to evals. But yeah, up 830 after commission right now. Yeah, I'm only running it because, like, I don't really have a reason. It's in sim. I'm not going to put it on an eval, I'll tell you that. But so yeah, just remember, I mean, these results are good today with L2 so far, but yeah, sim is very different than an eval, so let's keep that in mind. I've never seen it happen before, Curtis, so you can send it to Ben. Never happened to me, and yeah, I leave stuff running all day, you know, never had that, so. Slow morning for SBS, which is fine. Nvidia's moving up. Nvidia doesn't want to follow what the actual market's doing. Yeah, Cameron, I'm really excited for that too. I don't know how many people are going to be able to use it because it's going to require a decent amount of cash, but for the portfolio to work properly, you know. But I think it'll be awesome for the people that do use it. I'll probably open or start putting out some information on that this month. And then I'll open a wait list for it probably in a month. And no, we won't. Well, I'm not forgetting about the SBS people, okay? Everything's staying the same with that. I'll still do daily live streams and stuff. But, okay, so something's going on in the market. There's some big players today. Because we just dropped 60 points in like, yeah, 15 seconds.
Give it to me. Trim right here if you guys haven't trimmed.
Right here? No. I mean, not unless everything's met. Everything wasn't met there. That's what you're talking about. Markets are jumping today. Order flow? Up to you, man. You don't need a full version of Ninja. I don't think. What is going on? Using Bulanox, yeah, that's fine.
So if we are truly bearish, or if we're bearish here to the London low, which was right here, right? Because we didn't use anything to sponsor this move higher. So daily profile is a London Judas, right? So
got close to a short there on the 15-second. Did not hit. Market's nuts right now. Holy smokes. Oh, you know, hold on 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second, sorry. Yeah, no trades really today. I mean, we got this loss, that's fine, but besides that, we've gotten nothing. Nada.
UK day, bro, crazy work. Second funded task, let's go. That was my first day on the Discord. That shit was absolute.
This, I mean, you can see all these, yeah, all these charts up here, but you don't need to, you don't need to use these. This is just, like, I wouldn't really recommend 15-second for long-term results. Yes, as far. But I do mainly do bot trading, and the new portfolio that I'm making, I'm pretty much just going to be done manual trading in general, and I'm going to let that trade for me. And then I'll just do some long-term investments pretty much. Obviously SBS is also fantastic, but I'm going to put a bigger chunk of my money into the portfolio, is what I should say. SBS is great for the really short-term day trades. The portfolio will be good for the longer term swing, some like full day trades or swing trades. But that'll be only cash accounts, so. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, there, it's a 15-second 32 range. 32 range to just enter.
I'm not sure.
So that 32 range is winning. That's beautiful. 15 second. I think, I'm not sure why it didn't enter there, but let me. That's alright, that's alright. That's good. Fine. That one was a small win there, about 286. Also, if we check L2 right now, after commissions, you know, we're not actually up 950, we're actually down 300. There's the entry. Not sure why it didn't enter here, but we got the entry here. I really don't wanna as far. I just, you know, I live stream every day. That should be the motivation right there. Yeah. It's called Say Hi. But it's not public. You have to buy it from someone. Yeah, I know anyone can buy it. I'm just saying it's not like you can just load on TradingView public. So L2 is now down $900. Just heads up. It was up quite a bit, or I think it was up like 1,300 after commissions earlier, but not anymore. We'll just minimize that. I really just use algorithms, to be honest with you, Gonza. And the new portfolio that I'm working on right now will be pretty much taking over any last manual trading I do. That one's gonna be like so automated that you only check it like for 5 minutes a day, though. Which is the point, right? Did not copy trade. Sometimes copy trades, the copy trader's buggy, you know. And markets are volatile today, so I don't know, that could have something to do with whatever, but Yeah, it's not the best, but I mean, it's probably the best out there, to be honest. So the 15-second is trailing. Our stop loss is break even. So probably looks like we might come down and tap the break even, so which would be fine. Better than losing, right? So and the 48 range is in a trade currently as well. So we just tapped out there. And then we pumped right back up. A little unfortunate. Not a trial as far. I don't do trials because I've tried it before. It just doesn't help anybody. Gives people a wrong idea. And yeah, people get the same trades pretty much if they're using the same like settings and same charts. So settings are pretty easy. You don't really change the settings ever. 48 range, partial win there, up 20 points. Are you on NQ, Kevin? Or did you get this one? Well, NQ and MNQ will have different results. Some on MNQ. Remember, the swing points and stuff are slightly off, right? No, I don't think so. This is the best way. That video I sent you, Vega, of the little portfolio settings is what a lot of people are using right now. Or just the 32 range, as I told you. Just started using 100 volume charts. Got a full win on NQ. Nice. I've tried out volume charts a little bit. I haven't dove too deep into it though. Yes, Rude Awakening. They are tied to different accounts. But the new portfolio, that video I made the other day about the new settings that Baca and Argenito put together, those can all be used on one account because it trades different times a day. Another 48 range. I feel like we're missing some trades today on the 32 range chart. Is Ronnie Money in here? Ronnie Money, who has SBS, enough for a 50k PA count, SBS 32 range, 100 risk per trade. So he passed a eval with SBS, and now he's on a PA, slowly building that up. He's using 32 range. Oh, guys, slow day. Slow day, guys. Slow day. Slow day. L2. Wow. L2 took a dump, huh? So we started the day with L2. We were up like 2,500, which is like 1,300 after commissions. We kept running it. Again, it's only been on for 40 minutes. And we are down $3,000. So we have $2,000 of commissions. That's one benefit about SBS. Commissions don't eat you like that, because it takes less trades. So that's really why I don't live stream it too much. Take a look at the markets. Apple still dropping. Nvidia dropped a few dollars. Tesla's holding around the 409, 405, 410. Short entry on the 15-second and the 48 range. Not the 32 range. So Tom down about 150 to 120 to 200 bucks on 32 range this morning. 2 trades, 1 loss, 1 partial win. So he's only down 120 bucks there. So pretty small loss there for Tom this morning. And not every day can be green, right? It doesn't enter every trade, my man. This is just the potential entries. Okay, if every criteria is met, then it will enter. These horizontal lines just show the potential areas of entry. So right here, this criteria is met. Here, something was not met. I think once these trades are up, I think we'll probably call it a day. It'll be a slightly red day, most likely, but that is fine. As I've mentioned, you can't win it all. Does the dot on the 1 minute cancel the potential order? Yeah, because, well, what am I looking at? 1 minute. This? Well, we'll have to see what SBS thinks, but generally if it starts to create another pivot point, then it wouldn't take that trade. So, yeah, if we just moved up and tapped it, we most likely would have been entered. But if it makes a pivot and kind of chops around, makes some more pivots, you know, generally it wouldn't take that, right? I want to show you guys something kind of cool. Well, maybe I won't show. I'll tell you guys, for the new group, I have an AI version of myself. So you can ask it questions, should respond with answers that I would give, generally. So instead of me having to be around all the time, then yeah, you can just have the AI version, right? That's well, I don't know. I've tried to. I mean, somewhat. Tried to. If anyone's wondering what's going on in the SBS chat right now, one person said they had a trade that happened 1 minute or 2 minutes before their trade time and it lost. So now we're having people upset. That's it. Never happened to me. I've been running it for like 4 or 5 months, obviously. Never happened to me before, so shouldn't really be a problem. Make sure you're clearing your cache and stuff like that. Yeah, good, Kenty. Do you reload for historical data too? I would clear cache like at least once a week. You can do it more than that as well. Just Google how to clear cache. It's really easy. Yeah, it takes 2 minutes. Do it. Restart your NinjaTrader every day because NinjaTrader can be buggy. So, but yeah, just I know you do, Curtis. You told me before. I'm not sure why that would happen, Curtis. Sorry that it happened to you. Send Ben a message. I'll tell him to look for you. Never happened to me before, and I've been using it for 5 months. I'm not saying you did anything wrong. I know that, but I can't do anything about it. So you gotta either send me some info and I can send it to Ben, or send Ben some info. Okay. Once this trade is over though, I think we'll call that a day. You can see L2 azimuth is currently down $4,500. Okay, you seemed pretty upset in the chat, so I just wanted to make sure that, you know, don't cause a scene. You know what I'm saying, Curtis? Because if you cause a scene, there's a lot of newbies around here who take everything very, very literal, you know, and then I gotta deal with a lot of crap. Anyway, I think we're gonna end here. Slightly red day. 48 range, down about 3 trades. But, you know, if you have 1 or 2 good trades, it'll make that back because the risk to reward is positive. The 15-second is down pretty much 1 trade. If we had 1 winner, we would be green on the day, 1 full win. And then 32 range is ending up for us. So overall, not that bad of a day. Could be a lot worse. Slightly red, but these days happen, right? So, yeah, we're going to end it. We'll be back tomorrow for another live stream. Thanks for joining. See everyone tomorrow.